Hi viewers, today our topic is miniature house, dollhouse. You are watching beautiful and colorful dollhouse miniature house model. You are watching beautiful red color and church house. You are watching multiple stories mm, mm, cardboard based. You are watching Turkey style hut different colors. You are watching a miniature house doll house model. You are watching a miniature house with the old can. You are watching the multiple stories miniature house model. You are watching beautiful model of the miniature house stairs, and you are watching the heart shape miniature house beautiful dolls. You are watching multiple stories miniature house stairs and made with cardboard. You are watching the farmhouse shape miniature house cows, and you are watching a hut cardboard made green miniature house. You are watching a hut made with the cardboard. You are watching beautiful colorful farmhouse model sheep. You are watching a model of beautiful green house. You are watching the beautiful farmhouse lawn. You are watching the wonderful farmhouse beautiful green tree. You are watching a farmhouse miniature house doll house. You are watching a double story miniature house doll house. You are watching a doll house made in the Attache. You are watching the beautiful colorful hut with made with the grass and greenery. You are watching a doll miniature house, two chairs and tables, umbrella. You are watching a wood base miniature house. You are watching another miniature house, different organizer and different items. You are watching another doll house. You are watching beautiful model of miniature house doll house sofa set. You are watching another purple color doll house. You are watching another doll house miniature house bedroom. You are watching another model of miniature house doll house. You are watching a beautiful colorful doll house miniature house. You are watching a transparent miniature house green house. You are watching wood based miniature house beautiful.